My name is Tim Jackson and I work for BNY Productions as a sales representative. We've been using Zoho Creator for about 2.5 years now. So we use Zoho Creator throughout our entire process from start to finish. So from creating the initial quote to sending it to the client, using Zoho Sign to obtain a signature, and then even going through the whole invoicing process, integrating it with QuickBooks, and then all the way until the product is received by the client, making sure that they receive it in a timely manner and that they're all happy and ready to go with it. One of the things that we've noticed with Zoho Creator is that there wasn't a great solution out there that fit our needs specifically. Either the softwares were way too complicated for what we needed as a small business, or they didn't have enough of what we needed. And so Zoho Creator was kind of able to bridge that gap and give us just the right amount of what we needed, as well as be able to customize it for when our business grows and expands. I think one of the main things that we have benefited from using Zoho Creator, not just another application, is we have a lot of vendors that we work with, and we have a lot of different price sheets, and we have a lot of different information that we need to aggregate into one system. And so for us, it's been really nice being able to update that in real time. When there's a price update from a vendor, we're able to bring all that in easily through the Creator's import function and map different columns and easily update things in a matter of seconds rather than me, constantly having to refer back to an old price sheet. We've been able to implement that pretty seamlessly. From the customer side of things, they have experienced just something that looks more professional and something that is easy to navigate. They don't have to sign into a special thing or download another application. It's as simple as opening up Zoho Sign, signing the document, and sending it our way. And that kind of starts all of the processes on the back end automatically. So they're not waiting on me to then let my accounting team know to send them an invoice, all that thing. The statuses are automatically updated and it just takes them through the process seamlessly. So for someone first starting out with Zoho, I would definitely recommend taking a look at all of the products and just reading through what they can do, what the opportunities are, and formulate a game plan before you just dive in to one of them, because there's definitely more ways than one to get to the same thing, but some of them might be more efficient. So partnering again with one of Zoho's partners to help guide you in that would be definitely advisable. So we've been partnering with A or B or C based out of India, and the team over there has been great. We've loved working with them because although everything hasn't been perfect, they've been easy to get a hold of. Where I definitely lack in knowledge, they're able to kind of coach and help me through the processes and understand what we're trying to do and provide the best path to get there. Using Zoho Creator has not only saved us time, but it's also given us that peace of mind that a project isn't just gonna go unnoticed. There's alerts in my email telling me, hey, this needs my attention. And so it has definitely saved me from having to just personally remember everything. And so it's taken that weight off me as a sales rep. And then obviously having the tools there to be able to search and easily find the items that I'm looking for and build a quote and have it nice and neat in a PDF format, being able to send to the client, make it look nice rather than a Excel spreadsheet. So it definitely has made me and made our company look more professional and has helped in all the processes.